Coinlist has announced its new presale. Let's review the project together. Coinlist's new presale project is called Peaq Network. It's a DeepIn project. DeepIn is the infrastructural consolidation of RWA products. Peaq Network is a Layer 1 project for DeepIn projects. Let's visit the website. Here, there are Peaq products. You can see how significant the statistics are. Peaq is a project where over 400,000 machines and bots work together, housing 25 different projects within it. The total value of these projects is specified here. Now let's look at the presale details. Applications started on May 9th and will end on the 16th of this month. Buyers are given a 6% share. 4% will be distributed to investors like us. 1.5% will be distributed to whitelist participants. The remaining 0.5% share will be given to whales. To be a whale, you need to invest at least $50,000. The token price is $0.079274. I would have preferred the price to be lower. According to the statistics, it might be somewhat expensive, but the project seems promising, and predicting its future is quite challenging. The minimum purchase amount is $100. You can use USDT or USDC to make purchases. Let's see when we can get our investment back. We'll receive 15% in mid-June, and will continue to receive the remaining amount for 6 months. Let's scroll down the page a bit. Here, we can see the projects and supporters in the Peaq ecosystem. Look, some major brands that collaborations are happening with are listed here, such as Bosch and Audi. The artificial intelligence integrations also look promising. Now, I want to register for the presale. I click on the Participate Now button. After logging in, I proceed. You know these steps now. After wallet confirmation, you'll see the screen where you need to specify how much you want to buy. Determine the purchase amount and press the Continue button. This way, you'll participate in the presale of the project. The draw results will be sent to your email address. If you don't win, your money will be refunded. Please remember that cryptocurrency is risky, and nobody can guarantee anything to you. What I've told you is not investment advice. I hope this video has been helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. See you in the next video.